And we're live and alive on the Facebook page of Basketballista. First game, first match, it's Abu Dhabi versus Asman. First 5 ball, Asman. Deng, Manalo, Malajos. Sa first game, first match for Intermediate Season 3 against Basketballista. First position na dyan, Kalatuche. First basket, yes, first drive by Kalatuche. 2-0. Favor of Asman, now Wonderboy. Nice pass, downside, too strong. Rebound by Asman. Now Kalatuche, the Birdie Boy. Now Manalo, stop, Manalo, drive. Blocked by Torres. Now Wonderboy. Wonderboy, pass to Malastas. Air Balason, yes, Bird Balason, 2-all. First basket, first on Abu Dhabi. It's 2-all. It's 9 minutes and 10 seconds. Asman versus Abu Dhabi. Malajos, favorite shot. Too strong. Rebound by the white shirts. Air Balason. Now Wonderboy. So goes to Torres, in and out. Rebound ng Malajos. Now Malajos looking for Kalatuche. Kalatuche, stop up, looking for drive, escape, stop, boom shot. Whoa! On the move now, 4-2. 2-point lead now on Asman. We are live and alive on Facebook page of Basketballista, in and out. Rebound ng Malatas. Kalatuche. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Kalatuche, coast to coast. Kalatuche drive. 100 shoot, short. Rebound on Deng, fake. Deng drive, block, foul. Foul on Air Balason. First on Air Balason. First team foul on Abu Dhabi. Eight minutes and 20 seconds. Now 5-2, 3-point lead on Asman. It's all Asman, 3-0 run. Now Torres. Wonderboy, Nepi, the rookie, nice pass downside on short. Top. Even again on short. See another heavy on top. The last ball here, Balason. 4-5. 1-point lead now on Abu Dhabi Asman. It's 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Kalatuche. Right, pass downside. Manalo. Steal by the Torres. Steal by Malajos. Nice defense on Malajos. It's 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Now Wonderboy. Pass to Malatas.
I see mo. I'm here. I see. Okay.
Now, right, nice pass, Malajos. Too strong rebound on Air Balason. Tumalastas. All alone, all the way. Basaras to Nepi. Yes, on Nepi. Now 6-5. 1-point lead now on Abu Dhabi. We're here live and alive on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Nice down, black behind ng Balason. Yes, now 7-6. 1-point lead again by Asman. Wonderboy to the rookie. Nepi, stop up to strong air ball. Now Kalatuche, the Birdie Boy. Pass downside, punchy pass to Now 9-6. 3-point lead Asman. Wonder Boy. Again out. In and out again. Rebound on El Brazo. Tap El Brazo. Foul. Foul on number 7. 27. On number 7 on Manalo. First personal foul on Manalo. First team foul, that's fun. This is our first game, first match for our Inter-Emirates Season 3 by Basketballista. Ajman versus Abu Dhabi. And we're alive and alive on the Facebook page by Basketballista. It's 9-8. 1 point lead on Ajman. Kaladuche, favorite shot, too strong, rebound again on Stephen Torres to the Wonder Boy. Looking for Nebi. Nebi now, pass to Malastas, nice, steal, Malajman. To Malajos, 1-1 by Wonder Boy. Malajos, tap up, nice pass, Kaladuche, outside, and selfish pass by Kaladuche, basket count! And 1, nice pass by Kaladuche, now 11-8. Foul on the rookie, Nebi. First on the rookie. Second team foul on Abu Dhabi.
Ezekiel.
Nice shot by Ezekiel. 11-8. Wow, rebound by Air Balason. Now, Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy sitting the play. It's 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Nebi, the rookie. Analastas. Pass to foul. Foul on number 6. On Malajos. First personal foul on Malajos. Second team foul on next one. It's 5 minutes and 18 seconds. 11-9. 2-point lead. Ajman.
Alam namin magaling ka.
11-10, 1 point lead. Ajman. It's 5 minutes and 16 seconds. We are live on the Facebook page by Basketballista. Now Kalatse, the birthday boy. Nice move. Drive. Coast to coast. Attack. Whoa! Kalatse. 13-10. 3-point lead ng Ajman. Now Wonder Boy. Lastas. It's still out Kalatse. All alone. Oh! Alam mo Kalatse again. Kalatse. Yes, Kalatse. Now 15. Timeout. On Abu Dhabi, it's 15-10. 5-point lead. On Ajman.
23. 23.
4 minutes and 42 seconds.
23. Deng.
Third quarter, Manila. Third quarter.
Four minutes and 42 seconds. Wonder Boy. Pass to Sergio Torres. El Balason, fake, right, El Balason, escape, now Malastas. Steal by Deng. Deng. To Kalatuche, drive, Kalatuche, too strong. Now, Nebi, 2-1, Nebi to Malastas, Malastas, foul. Foul number 6 on Malajos. Second personal foul on Malajos, 13 foul against Ajman. Now, 11-15. Out. Kalapit again. Escape, goes to coast, stop up, look, carried by the Wonder Boy. Oh! Wonder Boy again, Kalapit. 1-1, pass, Manalo. Too strong, rebound on Malastas, 4 minutes. Baseball pass, what a defense coming from. Then, it's 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Time out! On Edgemont, it's 52. 50. That's 11. All in Edgemont. And we are live and alive on the Facebook page of Basket Crystal. It's 3 minutes and 52 seconds. First game, our first match. Or it is Emirates Season 3. By Basket Crystal, it's Asman against Abu Dhabi. Wonder Boy, airball, rebound. Oh, and the steal by Airballs, not 13-15. Back to 2-point win on Asman.
Now, Deng. Foul.
Foul on number 26 on Nepi.
Second.
Second personal foul on Nepi.
Second.
Third. Against Abu Dhabi. In and out. Rebound on Malastas. Ooh, Wonder Boy. Steal. 14 to shoot.
There is no choice. Why do I only move on the trash? Let's go.
Ano ba to?
Oh! Still out 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Lason favorite shot. Wow! Rebound again on Nepi. Pass to Salazar. Unselfish pass to Nepi. Now 15 all. It's 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We have a first deadlock. First game. On intermediates. Now Kalatuche. Nice move. 10 to shoot. Ezekiel. Too strong, tap. No Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy now. Goes to goal. Wonder Boy. Activate. Wonder Boy. Yep. Foul on number 14 on the Wonder Boy. First personal foul on the Wonder Boy. First warning for penalty on Abu Dhabi. Now Kalatuche. Carded by net. Oh, boom! Rebound on Air Balason. Now set Chirti Torres. Now to Nepi. Air ball again. Rebound on Kalatuche. Now Kalatuche. It's 2-2. Kalatuche. Nice pass. That was side. Kalatuche again. Turnover against Asman. It's 1 minute and 38 seconds. Torres, nice and selfish pass from Estas. Torres again, coming out, top. Rebound Manalo. Manalo to Malajos. It's 3-on-3. Malajos, top. Malajos drives. Nice move by Malajos. Top by Deng. Whoa! What a rebound by Wonder Boy. 1 minute. Our Balason drives. 17-15. 2-point lead now on Abu Dhabi. Kalatuche. Guarded by the Wonder Boy. 10 to shoot. 40 seconds. 5 to shoot. Whoa! 30 seconds. 17 all. Foul on number 23 on Deng. First personal foul on Deng. Warning for penalty on Asman. It's 17 all. 20 seconds. 14 to shoot. Wonder Boy. 10 to shoot. 15 seconds. High. Fourteen to shoot.
Point.
And And now for first quarter, our score, 17 all. Abu Dhabi versus Asman. Our first game and first match for our Enter Emirates Season 3 by Basketball Start.
Start, third quarter ha? Ha? Third quarter, maning, hindi na sila pa third quarter na. Bayad lagi na. May rin third quarter sila pa yung ha? Ay, ang ingatan ko sa ran, dagan pa na balas ko 100 doon. Paning din. Third quarter.
Third quarter. Abu Dhabi ball, Abu Dhabi. Defense Asman. Now Cholo in the ball game. Welcome back by Cholo. Now Playboy. First basket by Playboy. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, the Playboy. 2017. 3-point lead now on Abu Dhabi. Steal again. Nine minutes and 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10. Now Uno. First. Oh, good ball. Oh, same ball. Oh. Last man. It's turnover by Abu Dhabi. 2017. We're all live by face to face. Rolex. In now. Rebound on Sergey. Now the Playboy. Louis Playboy. Looking for guarded by. Now Playboy. 1-1. Playboy. Escape. Playboy grab. Short. Rebound on Asman. Steal by Isidero. Cholo. Fake. Side step, Cholo, air ball. Rebound of Isidero, block behind, top. Now Cholo, escape, Uno. Nice fake by Uno. Short again. Rebound by Asman. Foul. Foul on 0-8 on the Playboy Louis. First on the Playboy Louis. First team foul against Abu Dhabi. 8 minutes. Rolex, outside, steal by Cholo. Pass to Sergey. Block. Nice steal by Isidero. Now 7 minutes and 38 seconds. We are live on Facebook page 17 to 20. Block by Sergey. 10 to shoot. Yes, now 19 to 20. 1 point lead on Abu Dhabi. Isidoro, Playboy, Uno.
Box now!
Too strong. Rebound Sergey. Loud.
Ay, palulinong! Tapos kinit yan,
Foul on number 11 Osman. Personal foul on number 11 Osman. 6 minutes and 54 seconds.
Kinit, tapos ko!
Ten shoot.
Nice yan! Nice box yan!
In 6 minutes and 42 seconds.
Yan, ganun lang yan ha! Box mo lang yung tumatalon.
Now Rolex. Short. It's 19 against 20. 1 point lead on Abu Dhabi. Defending champion Abu Dhabi against Usman. Isidoro. Strong, rebound again, Usman. Rolex, 14 to shoot. Foul. Foul on Cholo. Foul on number 27. On Sergey. First on Sergey. Second team foul Abu Dhabi.
Mahilong sa Delphin.
Oh, nice D by Sergey. It's 5 minutes and 17 seconds. Bang, 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 bang! Oh, Sumali na 22 against the 20.
Max mo lang yung tumatalo sa nila. Taas kamay, taas!
Bantay! Bantay! Ayaw! Wala na!
Silang!
Oh, offensive foul on Rolex. First personal foul number 24 on Rolex. Second team foul, that's man.
Mark, hita lang Mark!
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Isidoro, now 23 to 22. Rolex, 4 minutes. Stay by the Playboy. 15 to shoot, 15. It's 3 minutes and 50 seconds, second quarter, first game. And our first match, Ashman versus Abu Dhabi. 14 to shoot. Whoa! Rolex. 23 to 24. Back to 1 point lead on Ashman. It's 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Taas lang kamay daw. Ipisahan mo lang.
Now Isidoro.
Yan, taas lang kamay mo. Lapit-lapit ano.
Same time. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Isidoro.
Lapitan nyo.
26-24. Rolex. Whoa! What a great move by Rolex. Now 26 all. 3 minutes.
Tama na, lapitan mo. Salis. Lapitan mo.
Oh! Scored and last 3 points by Isidoro. 29 against 26. Back-to-back 3-point shot by Isidoro. Now Rolex. 3-second violation. Natsman. Nice defense on Abu Dhabi. 26 against the 29. 3-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Now Isidoro again. Sergey. Too strong. Rebound on Mahilo. Now Rolex. Same ball. 16 to shoot. 1 minute and 50. Mahilom. Foul. Foul on number 7 on Isidoro. Third team foul, Abu Dhabi.
Isidoro first.
First personal foul on Isidoro. Now Isidoro, 2-2, 3-2. Isidoro. Looking for Uno. Nice fake, third. Oh! What a get to by Uno. 31 to 26. 5 point lead now. Oh, Abu Dhabi, it's 1 minute and 28 seconds. Rolex.
Time of the...
Fake. Too strong, air ball. How? Foul on number 11. Time out! Oh, Natsman. It's 13 foul on Natsman. First on number 11. And we are still live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's 31 against 26.
Di pwedeng hiramin yung kondo. Bang bang.
Let's go. Top. Well, Playboy. Playboy, top again. Rebound, Steve. 3-2.
Yan lang.
Short. Now Isidoro. Tuloy-tuloy. All the time. Air ball. Oh, CJ! Now Rolex. Kali tayo, no? Short. Yes. Now 38 to 31. 3-point lead now on Abu Dhabi. Nice shot. 30 seconds. Shout out to Steve Bowlers, Sir James. And to shoot. Oh, Uno.
Nice!
15 seconds, 15.
Ow!
12 seconds.
Go, see? 11.
11 seconds, 11. And now for a second quarter score. 31. That's 28. 3-point lead on Abu Dhabi.
O, si Rolex, balance natin.
Ito, hindi na ito ring ba? Bantayan ka na, Gol.
At man, o, sa ihatag.
Bantayan na kita.
Ha? Tapos na. Sunod, wala din ang schedule sunod ah. Ay, schedule kaya may mga mamayat sila. Ay, ibang ito, 50 pa na hatag ya. Lamahilom. Hello? Manalo, at minatag manalo. Kanili na wala ni hatag, ano? Manalo, at yun hatag ang manalo.
Hindi ni hatag ni.
Kasi manalo.
Kani manalo. Lahi ang gasuluban ni kanyaw.
Kasama na siya.
Bayaw ni Kalapatse.
Ang lagi, kasama na siya. Ah, daw, ng plano. Kaya si Mahilong, si Quinta Rigatag.
Si Mahilong. 100 gihatag anak. Tapos, lagi.
Dito na lang.
Katong gihatag na ko ng last.
Dito. Wala.
Si Doritos yan. Tindres.
Dito.
Basta ikaw na ko ni mga pinato, hinahato na ako tanang iyo.
Ito. Palitan na lang yung isa.
Sa next 50, na kumakatag yung wala may hatagan.
Si Parinas pala nasa Europe na, no? Doon siya nag-break day na.
Huntsman ball, Huntsman.
Wait lang, wala pa isa. One minute ha. One second pala. One second. Arad. Wala. Si Bente.
Si Pente.
Kitsa man na.
Muna ipuli na kong galang ha.
Kitsa man na.
Gusto ni galang.
Bang! 31 all. Wonder Boy, Nepi. Too strong, Malajos. Now, Carducci.
Go, Chuchay, Batan!
Ibanon Escalante. Steve, Malajos. Steve mo, Malajos. Steve top. As fast as he can. Now 33 to 31, 3 for 2 goals in down on its run. Chase Favor. In and out. Balason. Kalkiche. Tusikel, 1-1. Tusikel, grab. Tusikel, Ibanon. Yunes, Tusikel. And Steven, sa Balason. 3 for 49 seconds. Now, Wonder Boy. Air ball, Yunes. Now, Malajos. Malajos, now pull out over to Sota. Ayaw, Balason. Balason to Nepi. It's 3-1. Nepi. Nice pass, outside. Nas Nepi. Yes, on Nepi. Now, 33 all. This is our fourth deadlock of the game. 8 minutes and 32 seconds. Still by the Wonder Boy. Nepi. Wow, too strong. Now, Kalatuchi. Kalatuchi, stop back. Oh! Boom! Too strong again. Out. Rebound from Kalatuchi. Shot again. Galang. Black. Rebound on Escalante. Still like Kalatuchi. Stepping on the line. On the Kalatuchi, 7 minutes and 52 seconds. It's all 33 all. Now, Wonder Boy. Escalante. You move. Short. Rebound on Leones. Leones now. Looking for Kalatuche. Kalatuche to Galang. Galang stop back. Pass Malajos. Here's the Malajos. Now 35 to 33. 2-point lead on Huntsman. We're still live and alive for our Facebook page by Basketballista. 33 against the 35 for our defending champion Abu Dhabi. Now Nepi, guarded by Malajos. 10 to shoot. El Balason, favorite shot, short top, rebound on Galang. Now Galang, 1-1. Galang, goal to goal. Galang, yes! It's It's 37-33 to 4-point lead Ratsman. Wonderboy. In and out. Tap. Malajos. Escalante. 40 to shoot. Balasan again. 1-1. Foul. Foul on number 6 on Malajos. First team foul, Ratsman. Third personal foul on Malajos. Still we're alive and live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. 6 minutes and 26 seconds. Short, top, Leones. Still again may Balason. Goal to goal, drive right, too strong, top, Leones. Again on Nebe. Short, top. Now Calatuche. Calatuche, 1-1 de Malastas. Nice move. Goes over, runs down. Good move. Nice pass to Leones. Block, take away. Leones. Block. Block to back, block by Abu Dhabi. Now Wonderboy. 3-on-2. Nice pass. Escalante, fake. In and out again. Escalante. Escalante, fake. Drive back. Escalante. Again in and out. Tap. Calatuche. Now Calatuche now. It's 3-on-2. 3-3. Stop. Calatuche. Block. Now Leones. Looking for Malajos. Malajos. So you play 40 to shoot. Short. Foul. Down. Number 9. Foul on number 6 on Malajos. Warning on Malajos. Fourth foul on Malajos. Second team foul on Ratsman. It's 5 minutes and 29 seconds. 5 minutes and 29 seconds. Four-point lead, Ratsman. Chabulay ball. Strong. Ibanon Galang. Galang. Looking for Leones. Strong. Top. Wonderboy. Yes, on air Balasan. Now 35 to 37. 5 minutes.
Sab pag mag sikil.
Sab sir, sikil sir.
Sa division sa rep. Number 14 on Wonderboy. Second
Ikaw taas
on
balikin.
Wonderboy. First on Abu Dhabi. Akulba. Bang! 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 Oh, Calatuche. 20 to 35. Back to 5-point lead on Ratsman. Too strong. Now Calatuche again. 1-1. 3-2. Calatuche still by the Playboy. Whoa! What a game now. 42 to 35. 7-point lead now on Ratsman. Nice pass. Nice shot by Balite. Now Isidero. Too strong. Cap. Balite. Escalante. Foul. Foul on number 6. Sa dito sila 11. 13 foul Ratsman. 13 foul Ratsman. 4 minutes. Short. Balas. Tap. Galang. Calatuche. 1-1. Calatuche. 44-35. 9-point lead now. Oh, Ratsman. This is our first game. First match. Now what Playboy? Drive. Side step. Playboy. Rubbing violation. Shot into Sudrab. Not counted. Basket not count. Turnover on the Playboy Louis. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 9-point lead, Ratsman. 44 to 35. Now Calatuche. Playboy Louis. Whoa! Turnover again on the man.
Oy, Daddy Ed. Lagi ka na ayaw mo. Harap, harap!
Huwag mo atrasan!
Lapit na.
Titirahan na naman ganyan.
3 minutes. Foul. Foul on number 4 on Galang. First on Galang. Warning for penalty on Asman.
Akala doon niya, naswepe.
36 against to 44.
Yun, hindi ka wala. Na-shoot ba yun?
36 to 34. 37-44.
Ay, idol!
Galang.
Kuya kayo eh.
10 to shoot.
Dong, ikaw lang, dong! Gilang, gilang, gilang!
27-30. Now play Boy Louie. Malason, hesitate. In and out. Rebound Escalante. Di Torres. Nice pass outside. Escalante. Foul. Foul on number 22, Asman. Penalty.
Leones?
First personal foul on Leones. (38 to 44). Now 6-point lead on Asman. Basket timeout, rep. Basket timeout. Now Balate. Stop up. Looking for... Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Sumale! 47-38. Back to 9-point lead Asman.
Tupos na, tupos!
Bang! On Balason. Dosa niya kanina. It's 46 to 40. Foul. Foul on number 8 on... Timeout rep, timeout on Asman. Second team foul of Dabi.
Ganun lang. Dol, ganun ka lang pala please sa sintura.
Second personal foul on Boy Louie. 1 minute 36 seconds. And we still live and alive for our Facebook page of Basketballista. Our first game, first match, Abu Dhabi versus Asman.
Alex, may excited ka?
1 minute and 36 seconds. Now, Carduce. 10 to shoot.
Good, good, good!
Now, Balason. Now, Balason drive. Balason steal. Rebound on Balate. Now, Carduce. Lunes, air ball.
Baba, baba, baba!
In and out again, top. Lunes. Jose. 51 seconds. Short. Foul.
Tuloy! Balik na!
Foul on number 14, Calce. Penalty na, penalty.
Tuloy! Tuloy! Ayun na! Balik na lang! May matikikal na mukha ng Raymond!
Medyo blurred yan. Parang static lang.
Shot, shot. Basket count. 41, 46, 48 seconds. Leones. Now 40 seconds.
Sabi ko sa last UMP.
Hoy, pwede.
Alas 11 yan pala eh.
Doon.
Binago lang.
30 seconds.
Alam nito, last UMP. Oo, akala mo rin, alas 9.
20 seconds. Man! On Malason. 46 to 43. 10 seconds.
Sa'yo ko na ba nakasok tayo?
Sa'yo, tira! Tira, tira!
And how about third quarter score? 46. And to 43. Favor of Asman. Our next game will be Russell Kaima versus Sparga. Now, Playboy, Louie. Black. Now, Galang. Isikel.
Hoy, pwede. Bumawi ka.
Galang.
Hoy, pwede. Huwag ka pumayag na. Teka lang.
Kyle, balik muna, Kyle. Bago yan. Bago.
Manalastaso.
48 to 43. Now, 5-point Pinoch man. Now, Playboy Louie. Pass to Nepi. Foul. Foul on number 2-0 of that Pinochman. First team foul on Pinochman. First personal foul. On number 2-0, 40 to shoot. Now, Playboy Louie. Sergey, pick. Drive, stop up. Nice pass to Nepi. Nepi! Yes, on Nepi! 48 to 45. Back to 3-point lead on Pinochman. Now, Kalatuche. Apilano.
Bosa, bosa.
Galang, 14 to shoot. Gusto. Now, Playboy Louie. Stop pump. Is it take drive, coast to coast, foul. Foul on number 20, Apilado. Second personal foul. Apilado, sabi doon sa depth. Second team foul. That's man. Yung free throw shot to the Playboy Louie. (46 to 48), 2-point lead now. Against this man in 7 minutes and 17 seconds. First game, last quarter.
Dalawa sila, dalawa!
7 minutes.
Kabila!
Uno. Bang! On uno. 48 all. Kaplan, sabi niyo sila.
Tikay tayo, tikay.
48 all, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Apilado. Juliones. Apilado. Foul. Foul again on Apilado. Third personal foul on Apilado. Third team foul. That's man. It's 48 all. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Sergey, drive. Pass outside, Escalante, short. Foul. Sub to the set up, sub. Foul on number 16 or Sergey. 19 on Escalante. First team foul on Abu Dhabi. Apilado.
Foul on! Iwan na, iwan na, iwan!
Short. Malajos. Fourteen to shoot. Turnover. On Abu Dhabi, 4 minutes and 50 seconds. 48 all. Sub, sub, sub. Sub, 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 sub.
Sabi mo yan.
Apilado. Sampai sedap, sabrap, sabrap. Malajos out. 4 minutes and 43 seconds, 48 all.
Time out, may meron kami sa time out muna tayo isa. Time out muna tayo. Dalawa yung...
Shout out natin sa Ice King din ng Rock. 14 to shoot, 14. Block! Walang block by Balate. Now, Chalapse, steal, right to Loy. Play by Loy, 2 and 3, 3 and 2, to Nebe. Ilang tabi again. Nebe. Tap by Lee, Escalante. Too strong. Rebound on Balate.
Time out tayo.
All on Siri, on play by the timeout. On Esman, it's 4 minutes, 48 all. Second team foul on Abu Dhabi. Third personal foul. On the play by Loy. Steelers score 48 all. Last 4 minutes.
Ano nang score, kuya?
32. What a great play.
Baba isa, baba isa.
Go, run. Wow! Oh, that's fun. What a game, what a game. These two teams. 40 pursuits. Foul. Oh, Balete. Doon ka na siya again. Playboy Louie. Palason. Too strong top. Wow! Yes! Oh, Napi na 50 on 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Na Balete. Asa Jai.
Wag doon, isa na lang doon.
Ala number 19 on Escalante. 30 foul Abu Dhabi. Second personal foul on Nathan Pang Escalante.
Pare, pressure na kabuking harap.
It's 50 on 2 minutes and 58 seconds. Last quarter.
Balite, balite, dito ka. Dito ka.
Siyan, panggaligit-git, kailan pa kayo rayot?
Mau gani!
2 minutes and 57 seconds.
Pare, pressure na kabuking harap. Oh, tao. Dia pressure na harap. Right-handed yan. Diaming left. Balite, dito kayo, tatlo. Dalawang sa lalim.
Now play by Louie. Guarded by Templado. Still by Quinte. Foul. Foul on number 26 on Napi. Warning for penalty on Abu Dhabi. Third personal foul on Abu Dhabi. Third on Napi. Templado. Foul. Penalty, penalty. Foul on number 28. 08. Penalty. What personal foul on the play by Louie?
Salas. Nice!
51 against 50. 145 seconds.
Isa lang. Tao.
Malason. Short. Now si Dero. Louie. Wow! Tuntog ka lang ito, sir. 2 minutes. Galang. Stop. Foul.
Sila.
Warning for penalty, Asman. Time out.
Balite trip.
On Abu Dhabi. Third personal foul. Ano ba lang ng Balite? 52 against the 50. And our next game will be Rock versus Sharjah. Our interim rate season 3 by Basketballista. And still we're live and alive on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Two minutes.
Pare ko na muna. Balite.
Only 2-point lead on Asman. Balason. 10 to shoot. Hey!
Ay!
Oh! Ganon! Nakakalimutin. Oh! Ito! Ah! Isidero! Isidero, stop! Pump! Uno! Gusto ulit! Remy! Whoa! Napit ito all! 1 minute and 21 seconds!
Reserve tayo time out para sa.
May tema to siya? May tema to.
Now, Timplano.
Okay.
Diretso na, Milton!
Nag-iisip yung isa.
Penalty rat!
Isidro, second personal foul.
Second personal foul on Isidro. 52 all, 52. 1 minute and 9 seconds.
Gubente! Sige lang, Bente! Bawi!
Upo kayo. Warningan ko kayo. May bench tayo, may bench.
Foul.
Opo, warning kayo. Titikal ko kayo.
Marami mga fouls mo.
1 minute and 3 seconds.
O, dito kami! Dito! Sige! Sigaw!
53 to 52. 1 point kill as none.
Shot! Shot!
To 52. 2 point kill now. Oh, that's fine. Foul. Warning for penalty, Adsman. Warning for penalty.
Balete warning.
Warning on Balete. Fourth foul against Balete. 55 seconds. Louis by Louis. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 14 ng Calatuche. Penalty left. Penalty.
Calatuche, second personal.
Second personal foul on the Bertie boy, Calatuche. 49 seconds.
Both teams penalty.
Both teams now in penalty. Both teams have one timeout left.
Shoot!
49 seconds. $53, 54. Galang. Calatuche. Yes. Balete. Shoot. Now 3 on 2. Foul. 32 seconds. Foul on Balete. Fourth big personal foul on Balete.
Graduate.
Big personal foul on Balete. 5 na. 5 ka na, sir. 32 seconds. $54 all. 32 seconds. $55, 54. 1 point lead now on Abu Dhabi.
Wala
ganin. Kanina durdo.
15 seconds, 15! Foul! Time out! Oh, that's fun. It's 54 to 55. 9 seconds. 9 seconds. Penalty. Both teams and penalty.
Yeah!
56 to 54. 9 seconds.
Walang foul ha, walang foul. Ang pipi. Nice one.
57 54.
Hey!
1 second. 1 second.